everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. So for today's video, I've teamed up with L'Oreal Hair to celebrate International Women's Day. And I feel like this is such a super important topic to talk about on my channels because me being a woman, I feel like my channel and everything that I stand for, being bold, colourful, being unique, showcasing my individuality and owning it. And I feel like that's super empowering. And yeah, I feel like I empower women through my channel. So I feel like teaming up with L'Oreal for this video is perfect for today. So you're probably wondering what I'm going to be doing, but you've probably actually already seen it from the thumbnail of this video. I'm going to be dyeing this wig. So I've purchased a long blonde wig from Amazon. I'll pop the link below. Super excited to dye a long wig. I haven't done one of these for a while. And basically I'm going to be using one of the new L'Oreal Paris Colorista permanent gels. Now I love using a permanent hair colour on wigs just because it means the colour stays really intense. It doesn't fade when you're washing the wig. And yeah, your wig just basically stays exactly the same and how you want it for ages. So you're probably wondering what colour I'm going to be dyeing the wig, and well, if you've seen International Women's Day posts or any of their branding, it is all themed with the colour purple. So yeah, I'm going to be dyeing my wig with the Colorista permanent gel in dark purple. Now this hair dye comes in 10 different shades. They're high intensity, shimmering colours for all hair types, and it's long lasting, which is what you want from a permanent hair dye. So yeah, you can be super experimental with this. You can basically change up your colour, change up your vibe. I love it. And this particular dye that Colorista have launched obviously is a gel formula, which you might not have seen before. I've used their gel formulas before and I have to say they're so easy to apply. It doesn't like run or splash everywhere. It's got a really nice consistency. It blends over the hair really well. It doesn't go patchy. And the colour is just long lasting. And these gels also achieve up to 3 times more shine. We all want shiny hair, don't we, girls? So yeah, so I'm going to be using dark purple today on my wig. It does say on the back of the box that the shade is not advised on blondes. However, I want a super bright pigmented purple, so I'm going to be putting this over my blonde wig because I love vibrant hair. But yeah, you should always read the box and the instructions before you dye your hair. You can do a strand test, obviously, if you're going to be dyeing your own hair. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys what you get in the box. So in the box, you get the instructions. Make sure you read those. Tells you everything that you need to know. There is a post bold colour mask, which is brand new for the box, and it's got up to 6 applications, and it basically gives your hair up to 3 times more shine. We've got the number 2, which is a developer cream. We've got gloves, always wear gloves, guys. And we've got number 1, which is the colouring gel, and that is what you get in the box. So let's get dyeing my wig. Also, quick one, I do have 2 boxes. However, in the box, the gel formula is actually 150 millilitres now, which is amazing. So it does do longer hair. I always get another box load just in case, because you never know. But yeah, it is amazing that they've increased their sizes of their gel formula. Right, I'm gonna get dyeing now, guys.
Isn't hard to tell what you were thinking, babe. Your thoughts are only getting louder. While you are up in space, I sit here by myself. Are you gonna spill the truth or waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts anyway. Don't bother, as long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over, over.
guys, that is it. The dye is on and I'm going to let the wig develop for about 30 minutes and then I'm going to wash it out, style it and show you guys the finished look. I am so excited. I didn't realise how much of a deep, vibrant purple it would be, but I think it's going to look really, really cool on. I have to say, honestly, I love that gel formula. When I am applying it to the ends of my hair, I've used a lot of dyes in the past that's just so hard to blend on the ends of your hair and I always feel like it's patchy or I miss a bit and I just really, really struggle. But that gel formula, literally, you just squeeze loads over the end of the hair and just literally just kind of like you're shampooing it in and it just applies to every single strand and it's just got such an even application. Honestly, love that gel formula. But yeah, gonna leave it on for 30 minutes and I cannot wait to see what it looks like. Just one thing as well, L'Oreal have a campaign going on at the moment called #HoldYourBold and it's perfect to pair that with International Women's Day because it's all about kind of being bold, using vibrant colours on your hair and not being afraid to and just feeling confident in yourself. And you guys know that I use my hair as one way of being bold and expressing myself and I do feel like having coloured hair is just super empowering and it's eye-catching. People always compliment me on my hair, always see me walking down the street. Not that I want to stand out, but I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like it's really empowering to just be myself and be really bright and colourful and not worry about what other people think. And yeah, I just really resonate with the term bold because I feel like I am a bold, colourful person and yeah, I feel like being bold is really empowering. So yeah, I hope you guys kind of feel really empowered from this video and have a little think about International Women's Day and whether you feel bold and empowering and if you don't, is there ways in which that you can feel that? And one way is maybe you just, inside you really just fancy having a colour change. You don't have to dye your own hair. You can dye a wig like I am. You can experiment and yeah, give it a go. And let me know if you do end up dyeing your hair. Always love you guys sending me your pictures and stuff on Instagram. But yeah, I'll be back shortly and I will style the wig and show you guys what it looks like. Oh my god guys, what do we think of this wig? I've never gone this dark before, but I love it. I'm naturally actually a really dark brown anyway, but obviously I'm always blonde underneath, but even with wigs I've never really tried anything this dark and I'm loving it. Also the wig is so soft, so shiny. Wow. I added in a few curls just because I thought it would look super cute. And oh my god, it looks so nice. I'm honestly so happy that that gel formula worked really, really well on this wig. Oh my god. It's so cute. I love it. And this is literally perfect for International Women's Day. Wow. Guys, do we love it? Do we hate it? Let me know in the comments below. I've popped a link below to the new Colorista permanent gels so you can shop them online. Have a look at the rest of the shades. There are 10 in total. I've also popped a link below to the wig if you want to dye your own. You know, you don't have to use the permanent gels on your own hair. You can use them on wigs as well. That's what I love about being bold and changing up my look. Sometimes I want to dye a wig, sometimes I want to dye my own hair. And yeah, I love that about hair dye and the fact that you can just mix up your look whenever you want. You can be bold one day and feel empowered, and yeah, I love it. It's so, so beautiful. It definitely has come out exactly how I thought it was going to. Like a really nice deep plummy purple. It's gorgeous. And look at the shine. Like, look at the shine on this wig. Also, guys, not patchy whatsoever. I love that gel formula. You just kind of put it in like shampoo, use a brush, however you want to put it in, and it just doesn't go streaky. It takes to each strand exactly the same. Like, look at the overall colour. It's so even. I love it. Love it. Highly recommend giving it a go, guys. As I said, links are below. And yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. And I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. Peace out.